Welcome to our quick guide on jailbreaking, a term often heard in the context of mobile devices. In just 60 seconds, let's clarify what jailbreaking is and its implications. Jailbreaking refers to the process of removing the restrictions imposed by the manufacturer on devices, particularly smartphones and tablets. This process allows users to gain full access to the root of the operating system and access all the features. Primarily, jailbreaking is associated with Apple's iOS devices. It allows users to install apps, extensions, and themes that are not available through the official Apple App Store, thereby bypassing Apple's security and software guidelines. The main advantage of jailbreaking is the increased customization and control it offers over the device. Users can customize the interface, enhance functionality, and install software from third-party sources. However, jailbreaking can void the device's warranty and can pose security risks. It makes the device vulnerable to malware and may lead to stability issues. Jailbroken devices may also not receive official software updates from the manufacturer. Understanding jailbreaking is important for users who want to explore beyond the limitations set by device manufacturers. It's a trade-off between enjoying more freedom on your device and potentially exposing it to various risks. Stay informed and cautious. If considering jailbreaking, it's crucial to weigh the benefits against the potential security and functionality risks it entails, and to understand the responsibilities that come with it.